Hey guys, my name is Renee. Welcome to the Van Sterlings.
What are you doing now? What?
We live in a tiny house on wheels in the middle of the woods. I'm so excited to show you how to lifestyle tiny. All through the lens of fashion and fur.
You would never do this, right?
This first summer set is inspired by my birthday. There were so many surprises, so I thought, well, why don't I combine, basically show you my experience of my birthday through the lens of fashion. So I had a little haul for my birthday at this basically only store that was open. I came up with several looks that really represent my birthday experience. So I hope you enjoy the first outfit. I'm not sure if I would wear this outfit. I mean, I kind of have to now. It reminded me so much of Tony, of course. The lighthouse is what brought us together. To see that article of clothing in the store.
You're not gonna believe what I found. So I saw this lighthouse and I was like, oh, I highly doubt it's like our lighthouse. Can you believe that? And it's, oh my. I mean, that's a sign. And it's only $3.
I'm not even trying it on. I'm just getting it. We're states away doing something totally different in life right now. He was thoughtful on my birthday and made me blueberry pancakes 2 days in a row.
I just got a message. Your pancakes are ready. What? We got fresh blueberries yesterday. A big carton for $5. Yes, he's excited too. Are you excited too? For pancakes? Birthday week? What?
So the lighthouse reminds me of Tony. Lots happened, so I really feel that this $3 article of clothing is priceless. Literally, it's priceless. When things like that happen, yes. When things like this happen, I know we're on the right path, even if it's like really difficult and hard and all that. Yes. The second outfit is all about the bears. Camo Cubs. Literally, I think it was as we were eating the blueberry pancakes, the dogs started barking and we all ran out.
What's that noise? A bear! A bear! A bear for my birthday?
This whole time I've been wanting to see bears, so to see the bears on my birthday was just surreal. I don't want the bear to see me, obviously, so I gotta be camouflaged, and then I just threw on my camo Steelers hat, my shoes. If you look, I don't know if you can see in the picture, but I'm all about details, and there's some neon, like lime green, I guess maybe more of a chartreuse green, bright green, in the stitching of the jacket, and that matches my old Nikes. They still look good and they still feel good, but I need new shoes, new tennis shoes. I get excited about those kind of things. It's a jean jacket that I really liked, and it was like, I don't know, $4 maybe, and it's obviously summertime. I'm not gonna wear all these jean jackets, but third outfit is inspired from the Bucks.
Okay, stay right there. Okay, I got, oh, there's two of them, baby. There's two. Oh, wait, stay right there. Don't move. I'm zooming in. Oh, baby, do you see them? I got it.
Those bad boy Bucks. I be your doe?
Oh, do you see how zoomed in I am? Do you see that belt on his ears?
You can see his horns?
Baby, look at that. See him? Oh.
I mean, I grew up obviously seeing deer my whole life, but I don't know, as an adult, I feel like I find things like way more exciting or something.
Oh my baby. That's majestic right there. Do you see that? Do you see me?
I do.
They were literally just like staring at me, like telling me happy birthday. So this outfit's super cute. It's something that I would want to wear around those bad boy bucks and ask them if I could be their doe. That jean jacket is like everything I've been wanting in a jean jacket. It's just, I love the crop look. It has pearls. And so I had those pearl shoes. What else did I have on? Oh, that bathing suit has kind of like, looks like it has like pearls on them. And then those shorts are just so feminine. That pearl jacket, I couldn't believe it, and it was like, I think it was the most expensive thing I got, $10.
I'm getting closer.